guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to do something a little bit different for my channel. I know that the whole boyfriend or dad does my voiceover thing has been going on for a long time. I have no idea who started it. This has been going on for so long, but I wanted to get my boyfriend in my channel for another video, so I decided just to get his voice in it. So he will be doing my voiceover. I have no idea how the video went because I haven't edited yet, but hopefully it went really well. So I'm like already laughing because I know him, but you know, enjoy the video. Hopefully it's nice and it's funny, and I did get this look, so hopefully he explains it pretty well. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, you know what to do. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my awesome squad. Today's post notification shout out goes to Elizabeth. Elizabeth, thank you so much for being such a loyal subscriber. You've been with me through the beginning. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'm giving you so many hugs and kisses. Thank you so much for being such a good subscriber. Sorry, that was long, but I love her. So yeah, if you guys want to be my next post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn them on and comment when you are done. If you guys put hashtag notification squad, I can see your comments a lot more easily when I am picking the shout out winner. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the video.
Hi, my name is vianney. I'm dancing for no reason. Here's my eyeballs and perception. I don't know what this thing is, but wow, it's great. And this is brown or something. I'm poking at it. Here's my eyeball. I'm rubbing this all over it. I don't know what this is going to do, but it's turning it. Look, this is an autumn look. I look like I'm in the fall. Thanksgiving, both eyes now. We are rubbing away, and this is what it looks like. It's a little dark. Number one rule of the day, number one rule is this color works with this, and it's on my finger now. Oh my god. And just rub that on there to make sure your eyes look very bright and shiny on both sides. I don't know, match my nails now. But I'm gonna keep going in, and looks like I'm spreading this out now. We're gonna get this nice and spread out. This is what it looks like when you're in the fall. Fall colors, and all of these colors I'm going to use now. A little darker now. We're going a little dark on the edge of my eyeball. This is definitely a fall look. October, September, Thanksgiving, Halloween, good Halloween look. And both eyes now. And we'll just go a little bit darker. Just keep going dark, and until you have a black eye. Okay, and this is stamp liner. This does something. We're going to figure it out. We're going to try not to stab myself in the eyeball. And now we have black lines on the top of our eyes for some reason. But it's supposed to Delarza Cosmetics. They're great. Wonderful. Eyelashes. Need to put them on since we just need plenty. If I look down there, I'll use the code and you get more eyelashes. And I am doing this to my eyeball, trying not to stab myself. These are tweezers. I stole them from my boyfriend's toiletry bag and hiding them, and he needs them. And now I'm dancing because I just feel great about myself, and this looks beautiful. Hi! Thumbs up. And Laura Mercier, wonderful person, great friend of mine. You just squirt this out just this way. That's how you do it. And then you rub it all over your face. Don't touch the eyes because we just did a lot of work on them. Touch the eye. Don't get too close, though. Okay, here we go. On my nose, forehead, T-zone, and now I look like a ghost. And Covergirl, M80, not the firework. And we're putting this on my cheeks to give myself a little darker look. Goes white, now dark, and don't get on the chin. Hey. And we're gonna rub this out, rubbing it out now with a brush, and you know, get it nice finish. You know, so definitely the whites and the darks mix, which now I have the same exact color as I had before even putting this on. And to get the neck, don't forget the neck. And born his way is what vianney was. She was born my way. And we're going to put my war paint on, like a Comanche. Go with the Comanche Indian look, or Cherokee doing dots like a mime. I look like a mime now. Hi. And we're gonna squish this little sponge all over my eyeballs, so my war paint is now smeared everywhere. Ruined it. Not going to battle anymore. And now I look really ghost-like, and it's okay because we're gonna fix it later. It's okay. Pour this out, but don't pour too much. And then we're gonna pat it down. We're going to pat it down nice and soft, nice and slow. And I don't know what that did. It did something here, but just trust me, it works. We're going to do this, and then we're going to come in and powder that for some odd reason. And 5 more minutes, and then we're done. And it's 5 minutes later, and we're not done. And that's what I said at Wyatt all the time. And then we're going to brush all this in and contour now. This is my diary, how to contour. I'm going to get nice and dark and just get that cheekbone. Just get that cheekbone popping. Pop that cheekbone out. Pop it out, because cheeks normally look like that in real life. And we're going to just get it. Ooh, see, ooh, like you're a fishy, like you're a fish. Okay, here we go, and then just smear it out. Make that cheekbone, make it stick out like you haven't eaten. And then we're gonna put a little bit on the forehead too. And now we're gonna make the neck look skinnier. You know, ladies, here we go, blushing it up now, just like your boyfriend told you something sweet. You know, like you just got hit on and it was cringeworthy. Okay, now we're going in with the bottom eye. Try not to stab myself again. And now this did something. Can't explain it, but it's gonna do something here in the end. And voila! Just kidding. Voila! Done. And then we're just going to. This is on my eyeball. I'm rub this on your eyeball. And we are almost done here. Just draw on your eyeball a little bit more, okay? And then we're gonna just pop those eyelashes out. Just give it a little pop it out, and then put on the bottom, the little baby ones, since they look just the same as the top ones. Morphe, here we go, my favorite. Just spray it on like you're just spraying on hairspray, except it's not in your hair, all over your face. Set that in. Oh, refreshing. And here we go, the last bit. Just gotta go back in. Ooh, look at that cheek. It looks just like normal, like real life. My cheek looks like real life now. This is fantastic. I just do it on my head, make my head look just as real as everything else. And on the nose, and now I'm shiny. Shiny AF is what I am. Tip of the nose, don't forget the tip. Just like that. And then don't forget the lips, because this is the most important part. Draw your lip on the bottom and then on the top, and draw that little heart shaped in, and that little heart just for kissing. There you go. Mwah. And one more time. Just kidding. Hi, my name's Vianney, and I'm done.
Okay guys, and this is the final result. Obviously I have no idea how that video went because I just filmed it, so I haven't edited it yet. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that Wyatt explained everything fairly well, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Anyways, let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like these. Comment down below, give me all your ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys very, very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.